Join me, guys, while I tattoo my hand, fix an old piece that is in dire need of a tune-up. So come with me on this little trip. If you guys missed the live stream, we have condensed it for you right here, right now. I am using the Bishop Wand Packer with the 7-round shader. We're using a police cartridge 7-round shader to pretty much do all the lining in this piece. I wanted it to be a little bit bolder, so that's what we're going with. Just so you are aware, this is twice as fast as I'm actually moving it. I doubled the speed for time purposes. The key when you're tattooing your own hand like this is there's nobody to stretch it. There's nobody, you won't have a third hand quite obviously. So the best thing you can do is get your fist as tight as possible. Squeeze something. Some people suggested squeezing your own thumb. That might work as well. You just want to try to get your hand as tight as possible. And when you're up around the wrist area, somewhat where I am now, if you can get a bend, get your wrist to bend and stretch that skin out a little bit, that will be most helpful. Any place you can get the skin as tight as possible, the better. Now, tattooing with one hand is a real pain in the butt sometimes. If you want to enjoy the full process, go watch the live stream. When it comes to lining, I primarily prefer to push my needles, not drag them backwards. I prefer to push them most of the time. Everybody's a little different, so you're going to see right here, again, I am pushing the needle. Again, here I am pushing the needle. So that is my preferred method. There's nothing wrong with any way you like to do it, as long as the results are favorable for you. Tattooing hands can be tough. I've done videos on this in the past, but I will say it again. You need to get that ink in the skin. The hand is a rough place. It takes a lot of wear and tear. So don't be afraid to get the ink where it needs to go. You can't be too soft on the skin here. It needs to go in so that it survives the long haul. Definitely want to be careful out here on the edges. This is a tender area. Ink does not like to stay out here, but just take your time and try not to get too far into this area. And here we are, pretty much done with the lining, ready to start the shading. I am going to be using the Bishop Wand shader, running at 8.4 volts, using a bug pin 15 curved mag. If you're wondering what my Greywash setup is, it's 100% black, 20 drops, 10 drops of black, 5 drops, and 2 drops, and that is dynamic black. The rest is distilled water. So I'm putting my lightest shade in right there just for the center. I'm also opening up the pores by doing that so that they'll more easily receive the ink going in. Now I have 100% black. Still using that 100% black. Now we've dropped down to a 20 drop. This is the next shade darker just kind of blending that in and blending that out. After this, I'll drop down to a 10, and that will pretty much meet us in the middle at our 5 drop. So we'll have a decent bit of gradation here in this piece, and we'll also do that to the other one, which we didn't show here because it's the same process. Coming in here with a 2 drop, very light shade, just to put a little bit of texture, a little bit of something happening on this lighter area. I wanted the main center there, that micro dial section, to be the skin break, to be the really light, bright sort of skin area, just adding a little bit here or there to break it up. And again, I'm back at it here, putting in my black sections, the spots where I know I want to have black, putting that in now so I can come back with my mid shades and light shades and smooth it all out. With that all said and done, we're going to clean it off. We're using Crimson Red by Eternal. That's Crimson Red by Eternal. I like it. It's a nice deep red. I'm now using a 7 curved mag bug pin number 10, and I'm slowly packing in this Crimson Red all the way around the outside. It is a slow process. Take your time. Pack that color in there. Again, take your time. And it was pretty much about this time I was getting ready to put the white in, and when you know it, the camera died on me. So we're just gonna have to settle with this, and I later put the color in after the camera died, which you will see right here. This is our finished piece, a little bit of white highlights just to pop it here and there. So guys, there it was. Here it is, one day later, starting the healing process. If you guys want to catch the next live stream, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that whenever we do go live, you get notified, you can join in. I'm going to try to go live weekly, so we'll see what happens. But nonetheless, guys, thank you for your support. I appreciate you all, and peace.